Okay, so today we're going to be fishing Newman Lake. Newman Lake is, probably about 12 miles or so out of the Spokane Valley. Because it is so close, it is a fairly pressured lake. I can tell you that the boat launch, it's a great boat launch. There's 2 lanes here, but on the weekends, especially in the summer, it is busy. It is really busy. If you don't have boat launch patience, then this isn't the lake for you. Save yourself hassle, or get out here really, really early. You still got to pick your boat up though, so just be aware that I've had some long waits here, and of course, since it is definitely a highly populated lake for like the wake boats, the jet boats, ski boats, or not jet boats, jet skis. And not that there's anything wrong with that, but you know, sometimes you just want to go out fishing and, you know, have things kind of chill and peaceful, and you don't want, you know, 4-foot waves pushing you around from the wake boats or jet skis. Weekdays not too bad, but on the weekends, definitely a busy place. You know, your other option too is, you know, here in Washington we have the game department and then the state launches. You got to buy 2 deals if you want to use either of those or both of those. Sometimes one will work at one and sometimes both will work. But anyway, this is a public access here, and it's a Fish and Game Discover Pass required. Okay, here's a map of Newman Lake for you. What we have right here is this is the boat launch. You come in Trent Avenue and turn on, I believe it's called Star Road. Anyway, there's a sign there that takes you to Newman Lake. Come up to the crossroads. This is a T. Turn around this side here. You go past Cherokee Bay, which you can launch there. It is a pay per launch site. I believe at this time it's $5. You go past it. This is the launch that's provided by the Department of Wildlife, Fish and Game. You must have a Discover Pass to launch here. It is a good launch, 2 lanes. It is a very busy launch though. On the weekend it's crazy. From the launch, if you look straight across the road, would be up in here. There's actually overflow parking to park your trailer and stuff, so that makes it kind of nice. Another place you can launch is Sutton Bay, or Scroll down here, you can launch at Honeymoon Bay too. Resorts over there. I haven't never launched there. I'm not familiar with them. When I used to work for the Ranger Boat Dealer, we used to have a standing launch at Cherokee Bay. It was a pretty decent launch, but that's been quite a few years ago. Used to have gas there. They don't anymore. Just a little tight navigating in there. So if you have a bigger boat, a 20-foot bass boat or something, the way they have it set up now, it might be kind of a challenge. We can see that the deepest part of the lake is right about here. And down here, it doesn't show it, which is kind of ridiculous. But right here is a big island, and it comes up to about 2 feet. It's bad. There's a white cone that sits on this end right here, but the island goes almost clear over to here. So that's definitely something you want to get a handle on if you're running down in this area. It definitely will mess your boat up. This point here can go out just a little bit, so be careful around there. There are some bigger rocks if you're close to shore here around Bass Point. Rest of it's pretty good.